Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be drawing an interesting design of Happy Diwali where we use Diwali elements as letters. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. Choose your preferred medium, be it digital or paper. This tutorial is meant to develop your design study and study of typography. For today's artistry trivia, why do we celebrate Diwali? What is its significance? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Diwali is a festival of lights where we decorate houses and share sweets, and everyone is dressed in vibrant clothes all around. Today we will be learning a little about typography and how we can create an interesting illustration using typography. Start out with writing word happy as done by us. Now next, we will draw the word Diwali. We will draw a cracker for the letter I. Inside the letter D, we will draw the lanterns which are hanged out of everyone's house. Now let us sketch out the rest of the letters and draw a diya on top of the last letter I for the dot. Once you are done with that, start with filling the letter W with design. If you notice that we have written the word happy with no design, but however we are drawing the word Diwali using the elements of Diwali. This is to depict the Diwali as the grand celebration it is. In typography, we have to pay close attention that the letters which are repeated look the same throughout. If you are struggling with that, you can use a ruler to your aid. Whereas in calligraphy, we write the same letters in different ways. Once you are done with the design, outline the letters. Now let's add more design to the drawing using various elements which represent Diwali. Elements like diyas, lanterns and wires of light. Well done. We are done with the drawing. Now let's move on to the next part, which is coloring. First, color the background carefully. Once you are done with the background, let's color the rest of the drawing. Make sure to use bright and radiant colors, which expresses the feeling of Diwali. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing because practice makes perfect. Congratulations, you have completed the sketch. Let us know your favorite Diwali memory in the comments. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Diwali, the festival of lights, celebrates the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil, symbolizing prosperity, hope, and spiritual renewal. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel. And definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.